because this kind of clothes is treated with money. It doesn't matter if it is director Mao needs to deal with it, and this kind of clothes needs to be treated with money. If you wait for me, you may not be able to do it in the future. Okay, close the door, press the door lock, start the door lock, and the door will be closed when the door lock is activated. Then, based on the clothes of the clothes, what kind of clothes 1, 2, 3, 4, click a down jacket and click start. Wash all the time, no need to operate in the middle, no need to interfere, no need to worry about hands. The hour hand is up and it is automatically washed. When the machine works, it cycles first. Our previous machine had a manual cycle, right? It was just to flush the pipes. The machine is flushed from the inside first. First, the pipe blade pump is pumped and then the bottom is flushed. There will be no dirty leaves in, then rinse them in and wash them. Oil inlet night guard after we set it up. Night guard, he has oil inlet after entering night guard, he stopped by himself. Approximately, the washing time is washed according to the 5 or 10 minutes we set. After washing, enter the high support yourself. High support. After the high support, different high support times can be set according to different clothes. After taking off, go into drying yourself. After drying, cool down by yourself. Moreover, this machine is circulating and air-cooled. The circulation iron does not need to be turned on. Don't worry, the circulation iron is turned on and the alarm is called. A phenomenon that does not exist. Don't care about anything. Takes a little slower time to dry this kind of clothes. If the puree is washed, the drying time will be faster. Look at this machine here. Needle silk will mud adsorption. Right, what oxygen detoxification? What kind of sanctuary? Just think about it, almost everything can be washed anyway. All can be washed. Different clothes are used in different procedures. Then control it. After mastering this program, afterwards it becomes easy to wash clothes. Can be cured and heated. If you encounter dirty things, let's heat them up. The word encounters risks. According to, then we usually clean up. Just clean up this place. This place. This place needs to be cleaned normally. When will it be cleaned? When will you take the truck to transport goods? After walking, clean up. When will the truck be cleaned up to transport goods? Go once a week. You've washed about 50 pieces of clothing. Or just clean 100 pieces of clothing once. Just follow this cleaning rule. Right. About 50 pieces of clothing. Or just clean 100 pieces of clothes once. That's it. Then this is the front. This is the front cleaning. And the back. Click to jump. Okay, start. Open the door. Open the door directly. Did you look white? Is it white or not? Is it white or not? Mau. You can see that it's white. Well washed. It's very white. It was raining before and it was put on the house. It's white. No black marks at the edge. Isn't the skin afloat? Yes, the key is rubber whitening. Yes, come and see this, see this. Brother Shuang, see if this is a waste. See if this is whiter. After washing this rubber is whiter than before. It's white. Mainly no mimeographs. This is how to wash it off without mimeographs. Can whiten.
No mimeographs.
Right. Prepare more clothes. One day you prepare hundreds of clothes. We spent several days with him.